Hello everyone, welcome to our non-word drumming session. Today, I'll be teaching you the last class of part 1 slang water sleeves drum. The first line is san, su, u, chi, ba, open. Now, let's write on a drum using the tempo of 110. Ready? Now let's increase the tempo to 140. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the last class of part 1 water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.